Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Motorola Moto G20. Okay, so what we need is next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it is part of the box. So below this one here you have to look for that little card, and then just remove it like this and like that. Okay, otherwise if you don't have, or if you don't find this pin, you could use also the edge of the good old paper clip. So first of all, you have to remove the case, of course. And then, if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And above the SIM tray is a little hole in there. And now, with the SIM ejection tool, with the edge, or with the edge from the paper clip, you enter that little hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, in this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want, or you can insert also one SIM card and a microSD card to extend the internal storage. So let's start with the first SIM card. You will place it here, so missing corner on missing corner, and the contacts are below. Okay, and if you want, you can add also a second SIM card. So this is here at the end. That's very tiny. So it has to look like this then. Also missing corner on missing corner here. And the contacts are also below. Okay, and yeah, if you want, you can also add a microSD card, but then you have to decide here at this slot if you want to have a second SIM card or a microSD card, because it's the place usually for the microSD. So this is how it looks like if you want to have the microSD card, and the contacts are below as well. Okay, and then just put your construction in the phone. Be sure that's well closed, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in me. Just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.